Let's start our discussion on the chapter Molecular Basis of Inheritance. The previous year questions. Let's start. The first question is, which of the following statements is correct? Option A is adenine pairs with thymine through 2 hydrogen bonds, and option B is adenine pairs with thymine through 1 hydrogen bond. Adenine pairs with thymine through 3 hydrogen bonds. Option D is adenine does not pair with thymine. This is Neet 2020 question, previous year question. The answer for this question is option A. Next question. Second question is, purines found both in DNA and RNA are. The options for this question are cytosine and thymine, adenine and thymine. Option C is adenine and guanine, and option D is guanine and cytosine. The answer is option C, that is adenine and guanine. Thymine is not present in both, and cytosine is pyrimidine. The next question is, third question is, the association of histone H1 with the nucleosome indicates that. Option A is DNA replication is occurring. The option B is the DNA is condensed into a chromatin fiber. The option C is the DNA double helix is exposed. Option D is transcription is occurring. The answer for this question is the DNA is condensed into a chromatin fiber. That is option B. The next question is, in a sea urchin DNA which is double stranded, 17% of the bases were shown to be cytosine. The percentage of the other 3 bases expected to be present in the DNA are. If cytosine is 17%, then guanine should be 17%. In option A and option D contains 17%. The next is thymine is equal to adenine. So these must be same. In option A both are same. A and T are same. So option A is correct. The next question is fifth. The diagram shows an important concept in the genetic implication of DNA. Fill in the blanks from A to C. From DNA to mRNA A, from mRNA to protein B, and this is proposed by, that is C. So let's see one by one. From DNA to mRNA, the process is called transcription, and from mRNA to protein, that option, that is B, is translation, and it was proposed by Francis Crick. So the option is option A. Next question is sixth. In this, from DNA to mRNA, the process is C. From mRNA to protein, the process is B, and it is proposed by is A. So the figure given was an important concept in the genetic implication of DNA. Fill in the blanks A, B, and C. So the option A is in that A is Maurice Wilkins, B transcription, C translation. Option B, A James Watson, B replication, C extension. Option C, A Erwin Chargaff. Option B translation, C replication. D, that is option D, A Francis Crick, B translation, C transcription. So from DNA to mRNA, transcription takes place. So C is transcription. Only one option contains C as a transcription. So answer is D. Next, seventh question is, what are the structures called that given an appearance like as beads on string in the chromosomes when viewed under electron microscope? The options are, option A is genes, option B is nucleotides, option C is nucleosomes, and option D is base pairs. So answer is nucleosomes. The next question is 8th. Which one of the following does not follow the central dogma of molecular biology? Option A is P, option B is mucor, option C is chlamydomonas, and option D is HIV. So answer is option D, that is HIV. Next question is, from the 3' 5' phosphodiester linkages inside a polynucleotide chain serve to join one DNA strand with the other DNA strand. Option B is one nucleoside with another nucleoside. Option C is one nucleotide with another nucleotide. Option D is one nitrogenous base with pentose sugar. So the answer is C, that is nucleotide with another nucleotide. Trick is polynucleotide. The 10th question is, which one of the following statements about particular entity is true? Centromere is found in animal cells which produces ester during cell division. Option B is the gene for producing insulin is present in every body cell. Option C is nucleosome is formed of nucleotides. Option D is DNA consists of core of 8 histones. The answer for this question is option B, that is the gene for producing insulin is present in every body cells. Next question is 11th. In the DNA molecule, the proportion of option A is the proportion of adenine in relation to thymine varies with the organism. Option B is there are two strands which run anti-parallel, one in 5' to 3' direction and other in 3' to 5'. Option C is the total amount of purine nucleotides and pyrimidine nucleotides is not always equal. Option D is there are two strands which run parallel in the 5' to 3' direction. So the answer is option B, that is there are two strands which run anti-parallel, one in 5' to 3' direction and other in 3' to 5'. The next 12th question is, which one of the following pairs of nitrogenous bases of nucleic acids is wrongly matched with the category mentioned against it? Option A, guanine adenine purines, adenine thymine purines, thymine uracil pyrimidines, uracil cytosine pyrimidines. The answer for this question is the option B, that is adenine thymine are purines, that is wrongly matched. The next question is 13th. One turn of the helix in a B form DNA is approximately, option A is 2 nanometer, option B 20 nanometer, option C 0.34 nanometer, option D is 3.4 nanometer. The answer is 3.4 nanometer. The 14th question is, anti-parallel strands of a DNA molecule means that option A, one strand turns clockwise, option B, one strand turns anticlockwise, option C, the phosphate groups of two DNA strands at their ends share the same position, option D, the phosphate groups at the start of two DNA strands are in opposite position. So the answer is D, that is the phosphate groups at the start of two DNA strands are in opposite position. The next question, that is 15th one, is which one of the following makes use of RNA template to synthesize DNA? Option A, DNA polymerase, option B, RNA polymerase, option C, reverse transcriptase, option D, DNA dependent RNA polymerase. The answer for this 15th question is C, that is reverse transcriptase. The next questions will be on next my video. Thank you.